So let's call one by one because these are all non-static methods. So we have to create an object for the class and array demo using new keyword. So class name, object reference equal to new class name. So array demo and object reference equal to new array demo. And so how to call non-static void method? We know already object reference dot non-static void method. So adobj dot print vowels. So I'm just printing the vowels. How to call return type non-static method in the same class? Data type, variable name equal to object reference dot return type non-static method. So here data type we are calling the random array. Okay. So random array we are calling. The random array is so integer array. So the data type of this method is returning. So you can mouse over here and it is returning integer array. So that's what I have written here. Then variable name. So object reference dot get random array. So system.out.println random array is I'm just printing this array values. Arrays dot toString random array. This is the one way to print the array values. Other way is you have to use the for each loop or normal for loop. So any one you can use to print those values. So that is this how we can print a random array values, right? Mm-hmm. And so first method I am calling, see that. So I am calling the get max element. So int max element equal to adobj dot get max element from this array. See this array I'm using as an argument for the other methods. So array we are passing as a argument, array variable we are passing as an argument for other methods. So this is the one method, get max element. So max element of a given array is, so in this array, the max element is this one. Same small element you can call small element in the arrays dot toString is adobj dot directly method name I'm calling in the print statement. So if you see here, get min element, random array. So then we have object reference dot print duplicate elements. We are printing the duplicate elements. So wherever return type method is there, either you can call in this format or you can directly print in the print statement. So average of array elements also return type method. So I'm calling object reference dot get average of array elements random array. So then adobj dot reverse array in place. So what is the input for this method? Random array again. So that array I'm reversing. So sort array in ascending order. So same I need to pass another array for this method. Sort array in descending order. So I need to pass array for this method. So adobj dot two-dimensional array. So I'm calling two-dimensional array also. So these are all the methods. So that are very important methods we have written. But a lot of methods are there. Still, you will get so many methods in the array. See array index out of bounds exception where line number 20. So this one you have to comment out. So we should not give a more than the array size. I have given here more than the array size. That's why we are getting array index out of bounds exception. So now execute. See all the programs are executed. See vowels, all I'm printing. So in the reverse order, so random array is this one. Array elements are, see this is the random array and same array we are printing, and max element in this array. So what is the max element? 89 is the max element. So next small element in the array is 43. In all this, 43 is the smallest. So in this array, so what are the duplicate elements? Java and Python. And average of array elements. So all these elements average is 58.0. So before reverse, this is the array. So after reverse, see this is the one, reversing. 89, 60, 43, 44, 58. Before sorting the array, so this is the one, 89. So this is the array, your current array. And after sorting in ascending order. See, ascending order means small to bigger elements. Before, so descending sort array, and these are the elements. Then if you sort the elements in descending order, first bigger one, then till the small one. So that is how you can store all the array elements. Sorting one important, and reversing array. And there are few array programs. Let me show you that. And if you go here, and you can find so many array programs. You can see here under pages, you can see array programs. Here you have, so question and answer I have given here. Okay. So try to answer these questions without seeing them. Then where you are, you can check yourself. Question 2, question 3, all these are different programs. You write a program to create an array of 10 elements. Your program should prompt the user to input numbers in array, then display the sum of all array elements. So we have done already. So basically sum of all array elements, you are doing that. So variable list1, list2 are reference arrays that each have 5 elements. Write code that copies the values in list1 to list2. So copying one array elements into another array. How can we do that? So can you give a clue?
Sorry, copy one element from one array to another?
This list1 is the one array variable. So copy it to list2. How can we do that? Any idea?
Temporary variable, assign some of the values to, oh no, that's for swapping.
That is for swapping.
Sorry, I'm not able to get it at the moment.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's what practice only will give that confidence. Okay. See, copying what? So I already told you basic concept. You remember assignment operator will do right side value into left side variable. Just assign right side array variable to left side. That means this is the right side array of I, and you can assign to list 2 of I. Automatically each element will come and store there, right? So list 1 has elements. List 2 doesn't have elements. Now you need to assign. For this is for loop only. Iterate the list 1. For int I equal to 0, I less than list 1 dot length I plus plus. Now list 2 of I is equal to list 1 of I. Main logic. What is the main logic? list 2 of I in the left side. Assignment operator. List 1 of I. So list 1 of I, what it will do? List 1 of square bracket I. So what it will do?
As it runs through each iteration, it should move starting from the index, each and every value. It'll copy each and every value from list 1 to list 2.
Yeah, that's what I say. List 1. So I value 0, first element will be fetching here from the list 1 array and copying in the list 2.
List 2.
That's it. Same will repeat for till last. That's it. Program. So write a Java program to reverse the element of integer one-dimensional array. That's what the reverse we have done already. So this is the what that, right? The same thing we did. Next, largest and smallest we did already. So write a menu driven Java program with following option. Accept elements of an array. So first it should accept your array, some elements, display elements of an array, search an element within the array given by user, sort the array using bubble sort method. Write methods. Bubble sort is same as what we did the sorting. Okay, so this is the same. See here you are using the switch cases. Case 1 is a read array, case 2 is a display array, case 3 is you're so reading all the values and you search. So you search the array. So you have here read array method, display array method, and search array method. So if the value exists, see that how we are again this array contains this data or not, you need to check. So for loop, first for loop inside, if you are checking if array of this I is equal to this data, then return the I, then return -1. So sort array. So this is the bubble sort again. So int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length -1, I plus plus. Int j equal to 0, j less than array dot length -1, minus I. So and j plus plus. So if array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, and you swap them. So swap 1 by 1. That's another program, mostly asked question, bubble sort. This is the bubble sort concept. Okay. So these are all other programs. So these are also moving the left rotation, right rotation. So right rotate left. So you have to move these values, specified number of positions it has to move. For example, 3 positions, these 3 elements move towards left side, and these will go right side. So that's the number of iterations you want to rotate left and rotate right. So that will happen. And these are the, so go through this, okay, all these programs. So it really helps you a lot. Okay. And so duplicate elements, one more, I have given a string, right? String. You do for integers. Exercise, take that. So in the given integer array, print duplicate numbers. So you need to print duplicate numbers.
All right.
Okay. And yeah, so that is all about. And we need to discuss one more topic, very important topic in the control structures, very useful concept, that is So if we have seen if else, right? Till now, if else is you have to write a lot of code. So same way, we have one more ternary operator. Ternary operator means basically it will return the output based on the condition. So, but all will come in single line. Otherwise, you are writing in C. If else means you have to write these many lines of code, right? But you don't need to do this many lines of code in the ternary operator. It is just one liner. So one liner, you can put everything condition. If condition is true, and one part will execute. If condition is false, other part will execute. So that's this ternary operator. Let's go and so do some search. Ternary operator. You can search here also. So these are the operators, but we are expecting one more ternary operator is available here. Let's see. Relational operators, logical operators, binary operators, increment, decrement operators. We have seen bitwise operators, instance of operators, ternary operator. This is the ternary operator. So the ternary operator is a shorthand for the if else. So this is how we will write in single line. Variable equal to expression question mark expression 1 colon expression 2. So expression 1 colon expression 2. So expression is basically if expression is true, then expression 1 will execute and this output will store in the variable. If expression is false and the colon after whatever is that part will execute. That means expression 2, so value will be assigned to a variable. So basically it returns the value. Both either true or false, you will get some value. That's so this thing. So int February days equal to 29. String result equal to February days equal to 28 question mark not a leap year colon leap year. So now this is not true, right? 29 this one, okay? 29 double equal to 28. True or false?
False.
False. False means which part will execute?
Leap year.
This one. So leap year will execute. So that means this February 29 is there. That's the leap year. So that's the one important concept. Otherwise, so we are good with all the programs. Let's write this program also, ternary operator program.
If I go play with some of the older programs that I wrote with if else, I can just shrink it down all the way with just one sentence.
Yeah, right. You can do that. That's our advantage. Instead of writing multiple, you can write a single liner, if else. So most of the, in the real time, people will use this ternary operator only instead of if else. say Boolean or Boolean or string. Okay, so I'll write anything. Okay, a string result equal to. So maybe you take some variables. So int a equal to 5, b equal to 10, right? And you do so a greater than b, then you can say you print a. So it's an integer only. Or I'll write something.
Mhm.
Let's put integer, okay? A, otherwise b. So this one question mark here, not a colon, question mark.
Mhm.
Okay, so now you will get a output. Plus result. Say 10.
Mhm.
Because b value printed. Because this is the a greater than b false. That's why colon after whatever is it, that is printing. And you want to try one more string type. String output equal to a less than 0 question mark. So negative, else positive. So now a value 5, 5 less than 0. So false, right? So it is a positive. So that's it. So this is the how you can use this ternary operators. So please go through that. And here we should have one more Java ternary operator, I think. Java. So Okay. Sorry. There is one more in my this. We should get one more Java ternary operator, I think.
Oh, you just
There also
bypassed it.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
Mhm.
So here I have given very nicely. See, you can get a much clear examples and even flow chart also I have given. Okay.
Mhm.
So if the guy expression is true, the question mark part will get executed. If expression is false, colon, this is the colon part will get executed and you will get the result finally. So see, this is it operates similar to the if else statement. In expression 2 is executed if expression 1 is true, else expression 3 is executed. And so there are some programs I have given here. And which one is a bigger, you can find out easily. Yeah. So that's it. And you can go through this also, okay? Very useful. Now let's join back and we'll discuss OOPS concepts, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So separate video will do that, okay? So we'll end this video.
Sure.